Yeah, I know. Hi everyone, this is Kenny here and I'm at Taman Setapak Indah. So today we're gonna go to get some chicken rice. So this shop is actually a very famous shop. It's been around for a very long time. Let's go. As you can see, parking is very much a hassle, so you can actually park at the side of the road. This is the road here. It's a one-way street, and this is actually the shop that we are going to go. It's called the Nanyang restaurant, Nanyang chicken rice. Okay, you can see lunchtime a lot of people. Thank you. So this is the menu on the Nanyang chicken rice. They've been around for a long time. So usually when you come, you just get a mixed plate lah, of their barbecue pork, roasted pork, and also the chicken. So you can order a la carte also. Here's a la carte. We serve bamboo noodle, wonton mee if you want. Vegetables, you have bean sprout, you have hor fun, then the drinks. Our drinks is a simple menu, standard coffee shop. Hainan coffee is my favorite here lah. So I took the hot one. This shop is very famous in lunchtime, you can see. So I'm sitting outside at the walkway. See so many people. A lot of people. Lunchtime. Okay, this is a very good Hainan coffee. Very nice. So I'm having the Hainan coffee now. Very good Hainan coffee. It's not really that strong, it's just mild. Usually when quite mild. So this is what we ordered. There you can actually have your chicken with rice or in noodles like that. That's wonton mee. Bamboo noodles, okay. So and this nga choy, bean sprout. So this is 3 types. It's good for sharing. You have the siu yolk, char siu, and the roasted chicken. Okay. The chili a bit very interesting. It's not the usual this watery type Hainanese chili. So let's try again. This is the rice. It's not really that fragrant compared to the normal chicken rice that I had. So it's siu yolk. Siu yolk is considered barbecue pork, right? Wow. The combination of the fat and the meat, perfect. Crispy, crunchy, and it just melts in your mouth. That's how a siu yolk should be, a good siu yolk. Alright? Now char siu. So this is char siu. Char siu you can actually choose whether you want a fat one or thin one. But for me, I always like the combination. It's not just one, but it's a combination. Okay. Between the two, I prefer the siu yolk better. Now we go for the roasted chicken. Oops. Now this is the roasted chicken. Skin nicely brown color. Put the bone. Nicely roasted. Not sure. I think between the 3 next time I can just order the rice and the siu yolk. We're done already. I like the siu yolk.
That's what I said. Today it's good already.
Yeah. Rubber. Okay, I like the siu yolk.
I told them over here, no food to show them, you know. Then the four of them come here and then disappointed. Till today I get it.
So if you are around the corner, I'm in actually Taman Setapak Indah, Kuala Lumpur. It's right opposite the Bazaar Wangsa Maju. And I will leave the address down below. This place has been around for a very, very long time. I mean, the business has been around for a long, long time. I got locals who stay in Setapak told me that this shop, shop is new, but business is very long, right? Yeah, how long?
Ancient.
Ancient, okay. My friend told me it's ancient and he's a local in Setapak. So if you are around the corner, I'll just leave the address down below. Come and visit. Okay, so this is Kenny here and I'll see you again next video.